I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have data. Now create the example that teaches flash fill. Select the cell adjacent to the first row, type exactly how you want the output to look, and press Enter. Once done, use Ctrl+E or the Data Flash Fill command. Excel will scan the column and propose results based on the pattern you provided. Make sure your example is clear and consistent. One strong example beats several vague ones, so Flash Fill can infer transformations correctly from the start. If the first automatic pass doesn't match every row, inspect the preview and adjust with a second example to teach exceptions. You can enter a second correct result a few rows down, then press Ctrl+E again so Flash Fill recalculates with both examples. When rules are complex, break the task into helper columns. Extract first name or area code first, then combine to simplify patterns. This step-by-step approach reduces errors and helps you understand why Flash Fill made certain guesses. After results look correct, lock them in by copying the Flash Fill column and pasting values to avoid retriggering. If you spot mistakes, press Ctrl+C to undo, add one or two clearer examples that highlight the edge cases, and run Flash Fill again. When patterns vary widely or depend on strict rules, switch to formulas like left, mid, find, or text functions. These give deterministic outcomes. One key tip: Flash Fill is example-driven. Make your examples explicit and representative to guide it reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.